This is the Fimi X8 SE without the propeller guards. I took them off because on fast turns it was showing up in the video. There's a storm coming in. This is about 6:10 in the evening. It's actually pretty breezy. It's about 20-mile-an-hour winds with 30-mile-an-hour gusts. A bit of sprinkling, really light. This was right after a September 20th control update. I really didn't check the README, so I don't know what fixes or anything were supposed to be in this. I have reduced the rate of gimbal change because it was a little fast prior. Plus getting a little bit more skilled at not going all out with the gimbal. I still haven't flown it in a heavier rain. I mean, this is a extremely light mist, so I probably won't ever take it up in a heavy rain. But I would like to get some spring thunderstorms when that comes around. See how those turn out. Maybe catch a tornado off in the distance.